In this video, I will show you how to fix FPL generate team badge not working. So if you're facing that error while you're trying to use it on a web browser, then what you can do is click on this three lines menu bar in the top right corner. Then click on delete browsing data. Then go to more options. From here, pick the time range to all time. Then make sure you have ticked browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files. Then click on delete data. Then confirm it. After that, you can also try accessing it in incognito mode. Simply click on this three lines menu bar in the top right again. Then click on new incognito tab. From there, you can try accessing Fantasy Premier League. Or what you can do is, if you're first of all trying to use it in Chrome, you can simply switch to any other browser like Brave or Safari or anything that is in your phone. Or if you are facing that error while trying to use it on app, then simply click and hold on to the FPL app icon, then click on app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses, click on clear cache written in bright red. After that, open Play Store. In the search bar, search for Premier League and then from here check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app and your problem should be fixed now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.